A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Class 10, today we will discuss chapter number 7, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. So we will move on to page number, that is 162, and the chapter is unit number 7, Introduction to Trigonometry. Now first we should know about the definition of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? It is a branch of mathematics which deal with the study of right angled triangles. What is trigonometry? It is the branch of mathematics which deal with the study of right angled triangles. So tri means 3, gonometry means measurement. So in this chapter we will discuss about right angled triangles. Like, first you should know that what is meant by angle. It is trigonometry about right angle triangles. We will study about right angle triangles. Now first we should know that what is meant by a triangle, angle, sides, vertices. So you should know all these points. So the first is an angle. What is an angle? Angle is a union of two rays having a common vertex. It is A, for example B and C. Then we will write, we have angle ABC. So what is an angle? Union of two rays having a common vertex point. It is called an angle. In this chapter we have some important terminologies, like two types of angle. One is angle of elevation and the second is angle of depression. For the angle where it starts from, it is called initial side. जहाँ से एंगल स्टार्ट होगा उसको हम बोलेंगे इनिशियल साइड. एंड द एंगल जहाँ पर एंगल ख़त्म होगा, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड टर्मिनल साइड. अब ये स्टार्ट यहाँ से है, ख़त्म यहाँ पर हो रहा है. अब इस फिगर में एंगल जो है वो स्टार्ट यहाँ से हो रहा है. सो वी विल राइट इनिशियल साइड and it is called the terminal side. Angle is in the xy plane, start from the first x-axis, like this is the xy plane. In this xy plane you can see that this is 0 degree, it is 90 degree, it is 180 degree, and it is 270 degree, and then it is 360 degree. So there are main two types of the angle. One is anti-clockwise, and the second is clockwise angle. What is anti-clockwise angle? The angle starts, whether it is anti or clockwise, it will start from this x-axis and it will move like this. This will be called anti-clockwise and this will always be positive. So anti-clockwise is the standard angle which is always a positive. Similarly, when you are having clockwise angle, that will start again from this side and it will from downward से start होगा. So it is called clockwise, which is as negative. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज पॉजिटिव एंड क्लॉकवाइज इज अ नेगेटिव। अच्छा जी, इसके बाद राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल। व्हाट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल? अ ट्राइंगल in which we have one angle 90 degree. It is for example ABC. Now this angle, it is 90 degree, so this triangle is called right angle triangle. अब ये right angle triangle इस डायमेंशन में भी हो सकता है, और यही right angle triangle आपके पास जो है आप यू भी बना सकते हैं। इट इज़ 90 डिग्री बेटे। अच्छा जी, अब 90 के सामने जो साइड होगा, द साइड अपोजिट टू द 90, इट इज़ कॉल्ड hypotenuse side, and the side which contains 90 and with hypotenuse, it is called adjacent side. It is called adjacent side, or it is called base. And the last one remaining is the side is perpendicular, which makes 90 degree. So in the right angle triangle there are three basic sides. One is the hypotenuse, जो कि 90 के सामने होगा. Then we have base or adjacent side, and the other we have is perpendicular. This is all about right angle triangle. Now in the book we have the first topic we have is degree, minutes and seconds. You can see that is page number 164. It is degree, minutes and seconds system. So what is degree, minutes, second system? Now first we should know that a circle having only one fixed point, and we divide a circle into 360 equal parts. Like we divide this circle into 360 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to we have up to 359. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree. Each part is called degree. Means 1 degree means a part of a circle. It is called 1 degree. So 1 degree, it is a part of a circle. It is the divided part of the circle. So a part of a circle is called degree, and 1 degree, we will write 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute we know that it is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 degree equals to 60 multiplied by 60, so we get 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds. Or we can also write 1 degree is equal to 3600 seconds, or 1 by 36 part of 1 equals to 1 seconds. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degree. So this is called degree, minutes and seconds. Now we will come to the exercise, that is exercise 7.1, which is on page number, then we have page number 167. The first question is convert the following angle from degree, minutes, seconds to decimal form. So I am going to solve a single part of this question, that is exercise 7.1, and the first question number 1, part number 1, that is 80 degree, 15 minutes and 35 seconds. तो आप क्या करोगे, इसको आप डेसिमल फॉर्म में चेंज करोगे. तो डेसिमल फॉर्म का मतलब होगा कि इसमें डिग्री मिनट सेकंड ना हो। सो वी विल राइट 80 प्लस 15 मल्टीप्लाई 1 बाय, अब एक 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स, तो 1 मिनट में आ जाएगा 1/60 प्लस 35 और सेकेंड्स और आवर का जो रिलेशन है दैट इज़ 3600 सेकेंड्स, तो ये आ जाएगा 1/3600 सेकेंड्स। अब आपके पास आ जाएगा 80 प्लस व्हेन यू डिवाइड 15/60 एंड देन 35/3600 सेकेंड्स, तो इससे आपके पास आ जाएगा फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव 0.45 and plus we have for example 0.009. So you can see that we have convert degree minute second into the decimal form, which is 80.459. For example, we have divided 15/60, so we get this required result in the decimal form. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss question number 2.